Hi, it's Misty again. I am going to show you guys how to set up a test event. That information is also in some of the other documents, but I wanted to walk you through it because I know that this is brand new for a few of you. So once you log into Riverside, you're going to go to proctoring, and it's going to take you here. Now, if you have other test sessions set up already, they're going to be down here. I have the whole district, so I see a ton of them. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go through the drop downs. So our test event, we're going to do COGAT February 10th. Okay, for the grade level, second grade. Testing group, just put complete 7. And level is level 8. So remember that second grade is level 8. It should be your only option when you choose second grade anyways. And then this is the one that you want to decide. So the very first one that you want to do is the getting started, because that is what the students go through so that they understand the assessment. So I'm going to do this one. And it's going to say proctor-led, audio English, audio Spanish. We're going to do audio English for that one. And then the session name, you are going to want to use the document that has examples of the session names. So for the majority of the classroom ones, you're going to do the building code _ classroom teacher _ what day it is _ and then the battery name. So in this case, so we are going to do, let's just say we do, okay, so that's Iron Horse, and we're going to do, let's see, Miller as the teacher's name, and this is going to be day 1, because this is the first thing that they're going to be going through. And then underneath, and this is going to be the getting started. It's not the name of the battery, but that's what we're using. Draw screen on, and then you're going to put create the session. Okay, so I don't really want to do this because this is my real account on here. So I'm going to show you how you would do the next one. So you would do that again to second grade, COGAT 7, level 8. So then we're ready to do the subtests. So we're going to do the alt verbal. You only have to do the first one. When you do this first one, it will also include the other alt verbal. You just hit that continue all button and it automatically goes there. So we're going to do audio English, and then session name, it's going to be similar. So Iron Horse, teacher's name. This is still day 1 because they're probably going to do the getting started and then go right into this. And it's going to be the alt verbal. Okay, and then we would create our session. So then the next one, if you would go through, all of these again are the same. They'll be blank each time you do it, so you have to add them again. But down here, we do not have to do picture classification because when the students are taking the assessment, they take this one. When they're done, the proctor hits the continue all and it will automatically go to this one. So we are going to go to just quantitative. Okay, do this again. Session name, teacher. Now this is going to be day 2 because you're going to be testing the second day with this. It's going to be quantitative. Okay. For the next one, fill them all out. We're going to get to here. We do not have to do the other quantitatives again because that continue all will take care of them. So my last one I'm going to set up for the classrooms is the nonverbal. Okay, same thing. Now this is going to be day 3 that they're testing and nonverbal. And then you would hit create session. Now some of the exceptions to this would be, again, put everything in the right way. When you get down to here, let's say you have 5 students who missed the quantitative number series for some reason. Who knows? They all got sick and ran out of the room, whatever it is. But let's say you need to do this specifically just for number series. You can do that for those students. And I'm going to come up here. Maybe in this case, it might be somebody else who's proctoring. Probably not the teacher if they're doing like a pull-out small group. Okay. And then for them, that would be their day 2, right? Because quantitative we do on day 2. Underscore, and then you would put the specific number series. Okay, so again, that has this all here, Bottery name. Now we do have it saying proctor-led on these. Some need proctor-led, some do not. So this one's the accommodations. If you have students who you can put on the headphones and that still is okay with their accommodations, like extra time, small group, you absolutely can do that. But if there's more to that and you need to do it proctor-led, you can choose that. Okay. For Spanish, if you were doing a subgroup like that, you would come over here and we would do audio Spanish. So all the students taking that one would be taking it in Spanish. Okay. And then you might have a different one if you are looking at a student who maybe they speak Mandarin and they're still going to take the assessment in English and they've already practiced and the ELD teacher says yes, they can take this. You're going to build this as building code, facilitator name, then you're going to put ELD and then whatever day it is and then the name of the battery. Okay. So this kind of walks you through how to do that with makeups with accommodation, makeups for ELD or for Spanish. So we have it all right here so you can refer to that document. Okay, once you create all of those, they will end up in here. You can see a lot of people have already, I have 29 pages worth of people who have already set up their test sessions. So that's it, pretty easy.